Let's walk through how to create a simple fillable business form in Microsoft Word using built-in form fields. First, we need to enable the Developer tab. Go to File, then Options, and then Customize ribbon. Here, we'll check the box next to Developer on the right and click OK. The Developer tab will now appear as an option in the ribbon. Now that we have the Developer tab, let's fill out the example form on the screen so you can see what each field might look like in your own form. Starting with the requester name response, we're going to click the second icon on the top row of the controls group. This inserts the plain text content control, which is a field that allows for basic text entry. Next, for the department response, click the third icon on the second row. This inserts a drop-down list. To add our drop-down options, click Properties in the ribbon, and using the Add button, we'll enter our options. For this example, we'll add Sales and Marketing. Click OK when done. Next, for the priority level response, click the second icon in the second row. This inserts a combo box field. Once again, we're going to click Properties to add our drop-down items. Unlike the previous drop-down list, this one also offers the users the chance to enter in their own response outside of the listed drop-down items. Next, for the request date response, click the last icon in the second row. This inserts a date picker field, which adds a clickable calendar to your form. Next, for the service type response, click the first icon in the second row to insert the checkbox field. We're going to add this checkbox field in front of each item in our list. This lets the user select as many options as they like. Finally, for the additional notes response, we're going to click the first icon in the top row. This inserts the rich text content control field, which lets users enter formatted, multi-line text. Now that the form is done, it's a good idea to lock your fields so people can't accidentally mess up the formatting. To protect the form, click Restrict Editing in the Protect group. Under Editing Restrictions, check Allow only this type of editing in the document and choose Filling in Forms. Then click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection, and optionally set a password to secure the form. And that's it. You've now created a functional, fillable form in Word. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Tech Tip Tuesday videos.